Hello, I'm Matthew Lilly with Home Center Outlet.
And I'm John McGinnis with EntryUpgrade.
We're going to show you how to measure your front door properly.
All right, we'll start off by taking our measure tape from the width here. We're going to go inside jamb to inside jamb, which here we have 59 inches. And we all know that a exterior door jamb is going to be 1.5 inches per side. So we are going to take the 59 and add 3, and that gives us our 62 inches on the full width of the jamb. For the top, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go right below the threshold to right below the transom edge, and we're going to add our 1.5 inches. So that's going to put us at 94.5.
Now that you properly know how to measure your door, and if you have any questions, please contact us for a free consultation. John, our stock doors are 6.5 by 93 1/4. Do you think this door will work?
Absolutely.